Alright, hey everybody, and this is 54 News Star, and this is a Zelda intro into tutorials. So we're using assets from some actual Zelda games, and I'll link them down below. I think it was the Minish Cap, I think. Played a little bit of it. It was actually kind of awesome. So I know over on the actual Sakara page and on the Construct 2 forums, and Sakara made Construct 2, just to let you guys know, there's been a lot of things going on about, hey, how do I make this? And most of those tutorials or requested tutorials were over RPG materials. So I was like, hey, why not make a massive tutorial on make your own Zelda game? So right now, the massive thing that was drawing this tutorial request was on how to make a inventory system, money system, kind of like a buying, selling, collecting stuff, and monitoring your cash flow, and then later on some sort of bank account system. So that's what we're doing. I'm literally kind of finishing up the beta setup. So I have a money system already kind of set up. It's pretty easy to set up. You just get a sprite that's going to represent your money, put it somewhere, say when you collide in with that, it's going to then add something to a global event. So right up here, global event, rupees. And then on collision with that, you want to say, hey, add 100 to rupees. So that's going to be a system event. So you're going to go into your system. Then you're going to go add to. It's going to say, hey, what? Rupees. It's going to be a little green world. You're going to add 100 to it. And then for the sprite, so you can see it, just insert a text. And then you're going to place it somewhere where you can see it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on that said text. So you're going to go and you're going to add an action. You're going to click on sprite. You're going to say up here in the text box, set text. And that set text is going to be just type in rupees, whatever the name of your global variable is going to be. And suddenly when you collide with something, it's going to add that amount to rupees. So for an example, and I should note right now that the screen is going to be really, really small, because this is going to be, I want it to be like original Game Boy size. So as you can see, it's really tiny. So if I try to increase it, there we go. He's walking, we've collided with it, and we keep colliding with it. So to fix that, actually, we can do it right now, is add an action and say, hey, when we collide with it, it's going to actually be deleted or destroyed. So when we actually collide with it, it's not going to it's not going to actually be there anymore. It's going to be gone. So we go in, boom, destroyed. Alright, so basically what we're going to be doing from now on is we're going to be doing this inventory system. So I'll be adding around 30 to 50 items, or however many items I can add from the Zelda world that you can collect, that you can also sell, and like monster guts and everything. So you can buy, sell, trade, collect a ton of cash, blah blah blah. Basically open world Zelda. And then what I'm gonna do is, so we're gonna click there, boom. Okay, so we have the world. I need to add the collision boxes and everything, and it only looks really bad because it's so zoomed in. It actually looks a whole lot better in this native smaller mode. It actually should look really good on your what do you call it, phones. So once you do that, you're going to be a whole lot better. So yeah, expect a lot from this little tutorial. I'll be also posting a lot of videos onto the Sakara YouTube page, so in case you don't catch it here, you can also go over there. I highly recommend that you subscribe over there. They got a bunch of guys over there that do a lot of good stuff when I can't, and hopefully you'll be enjoying this Zelda top-down little world. And then also I've been doing some 3D stuff, so expect a bunch of some top-down classic style 3D, so DS, 3DS, Zelda video games. Also in the more of the Wii U sense of the third person over the shoulder Zelda games too. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the thumbs up and like and subscribe button if you want to stay and you want to learn some game development. Comment down below on what type of setups you would like to see for game tutorials. Also, if you would like to learn how other game engines work or whatever, just suggest one that you would like to see viewed on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.